Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two different wigs that I got from Unice Hair. Not going to be doing much talking in this video, but I will leave all of the information in the description box where you can purchase these two wigs and all of the products that I used today. Enjoy! So first up is the 16-inch balayage highlight VPart curly wig. So I tried this wig 3 different ways. First with the middle part with leave out, then with the side part no leave out, and then the side part with leave out. My favorite was the side part with leave out. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment sections below. And wig number 2 is the 12-inch Body Wave UPart wig in the color Natural Black. Now with the V-part wig, you can do it with or without a leave out, but with the U-part, the opening is a little bit bigger, so you definitely have to leave some hair out for the U-part. Let me know in the comment section below which wig was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.